foods and plant-based cooking in Panama, Central America. Foodies, I am in Panama, Central America, not to be confused with Panama City, Florida. We are in Panama, Central America, and I have gotten the pleasant surprise that I should not have made the assumption that I was going to have a difficult time finding whole foods and plant-based. Not only did I find an amazing selection, this is a beautiful little selection of vegetables and fruits that my sister has gotten me, and this is just some of the dried fruits that can stay out of the refrigerator. We're in a very humid tropical environment here, so a lot of the stuff goes in the refrigerator. I'm going to give you a little tour here of what I was able to purchase at the store that I didn't think I was going to be able to get. All these things are whole food and plant-based, and not only that, they have no SOS, no salt, oil, or refined sugars. I have all these beans, and I am so excited because I'm going to be trying new beans that I've actually never played with before, never cooked with before. These are some brown beans. They're kind of like a tiny little kidney bean. These are brown lentils, but they're much smaller than the regular brown lentils. I've got some chana dal, which is the split chickpeas. I've got another type of red bean and a tighter, smaller red bean. I've got some black beans, black quinoa, red quinoa. I've got some garbanzo beans, and you guys know that one of my favorite desserts is dates stuffed with a pecan. I got some black rice that's from Italy and an Italian brand, which I've never tried, a wild rice. And I'm super excited to be trying these pastas that are completely whole food, and they're made of different ingredients. This is a tricolor pasta that's made with lentils, chickpeas, and peas. And this one is made from quinoa. This one is made with green peas, and this one is red lentils. And I was even able to find my silken tofu. If we want to make, I might introduce my nieces and nephews to our puddings. Got some natural maple syrup, some peanuts, peanut butter that is 100% whole food plant-based, that only has peanuts as the ingredient, no added sodium. Same for our tomato sauce in case we make pizzas, and these very interesting whole cherry tomatoes that are also no added ingredients. I'm very looking forward to using those. I'll give you guys a tour of my refrigerator tomorrow because the selection of fruits and vegetables is insane. I've already eaten 2 cartons of fresh mangoes.